Hey guys, my name's George and welcome to the channel. I'm 24 years old and I'm an Englishman living in Denmark. I started this channel to have a place to be creative and share my passion with the world. I want to inspire people out there and show them that they don't need fancy tools or a nice workbench to make good work. It's just about doing it and learning along the way. The video playing in the background is a Radiator cover that I built earlier in the year, but I just haven't got around to making the video until now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and see you next time.